Hi dearest, so today we're going to be looking at how I made this wonderful gorgeous looking hand fan in less than 5 minutes. Yes, you can actually make things out of what is already existing, and that makes things easier and faster. So sometimes you don't necessarily need to start from scratch, you just start from here and get to here. Okay, so let's get into today's training. So what we'll be needing is our electric glue gun. Then we'll be needing our flower trimmings. These are like big crystal stones trimming setup. Okay, then we'll be needing our feathers, and it's 2 yards, but I won't make use of the whole 2 yards. It's called fan feathers. And then this is how the hand fan is, and if you want, and that trimmings, okay, I'll get back to there, and scissors. Okay, now if you want to know how this hand fan was made, I have something close to that I made in the shots. I'll leave it up or in the description below. So the first thing you want to do is take your feathers, and you're going to use your electric glue gun and glue like so from one side. We'll take it all the way down, okay, like so, and take it all through. This is the back that I'm taking it through again. I've taken it through the first side and to the back, so I'm going to make it, and this makes it look fuller. You know, the way it was looking before was a bit scanty, so we want to make it look fuller and rich. Okay, so that's it. I'm taking it all round. Keep watching and learning. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to check and see if there's any space where you can see cloth still being shown and not feathers, and you just pull out feathers from the strand of feathers and attach it like so to cover up, so you have it full. Then you take your trimmings, your gold trimmings or whatever trimmings you want to use, and cover up that satin that was used to sew the feathers together. So that's what I'm going to do all the way round. Keep watching and learning. Next thing you want to do is cut out your trimmings. Now you have to be careful. When you cut it out, sometimes it can have this issue, and all you need to do is take your glue, put it on the other side, and then close up the thread on it, and it sticks smoothly together. And then you take your trimmings and make your design all round the feathers, and you need to see how it comes out. It comes out really looking like a queen's hand fan. Now this is how you make your hand fan in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so till we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.